Hi, today I just wanted to do a quick video answering one of the questions that a coach asked me last week around what to expect on retreat. So today I'm going to be talking around confidentiality. So obviously it should be a no-brainer, but one coach reached out and said, look, I'm not sure because I'm worried in case some of what I share might take away some of my credibility. And I kind of get that, but it's also, I guess, helpful for me to say it's absolutely discretionary. What goes on retreat stays on retreat. There are only 4 clients working with me, so it's going to be very discreet, very closed circuits. So you build up trust and even friendships with those other people on the retreat with you. So there's nothing to be concerned around as far as people talking about what your challenges are. So please don't let that be a stress for you. No need to. I got your back. There's zero judgments. I've probably been in the same place that you are, and it's just all human nature to have challenges and blocks. That's what we're here to work on and to grow through. So hook me up and let's get you booked in.